I've been thinking a lot about this idea. We often admire people who are confident and outspoken, but there's that old saying, silence is golden. How do we know when to speak and when to stay silent?
That's such a good question. It's tricky, isn't it? Society rewards expression, but wisdom often lies in restraint. I guess it depends on whether what we say truly adds value.
Right. And sometimes people speak just to be heard, not to contribute. Maybe that's when silence becomes more powerful, when we don't actually understand what we're talking about.
Exactly. Speaking from ignorance often backfires. But if we stay silent even when we do know something, that's also a waste. It's like having light but refusing to shine it.
I like that metaphor. It reminds me of the idea that knowledge is a gift from nature. If we keep it to ourselves, it loses its purpose. Sharing it, though, needs timing and maturity.
That's where discernment comes in. Think of it like education levels. A high school student can teach an elementary kid, but maybe not a college student. The same applies to wisdom. You should share it only when it's well organized within you.
So, in a way, it's not just what we know, but how clearly we've understood it. If we haven't digested the knowledge, trying to teach it might do more harm than good.
Exactly. Like the 3-7 rule. You can guide someone who's about 30% behind you in understanding, but not those just one step below because your own grasp isn't stable yet.
That's so interesting. It means the silence we choose isn't weakness, it's respect for truth and for the process of learning.
Yes, and also humility. Silence shows awareness of one's limits. Speaking should come from clarity, not from ego.
But there's another layer. Communication isn't only about knowledge. Sometimes, even in teaching, connection matters more. People listen when they like you, not just when you're right.
True. You can be brilliant, but if people don't feel comfortable with you, your words won't reach them. Influence needs warmth. That's 70% of likability that opens the door.
So even the most skilled teacher fails without empathy. It's not just intellect, it's human chemistry.
Exactly. Nature seems to balance both logic and emotion. If you lean too much on one side, pure silence or endless talk, you lose harmony.
That's the essence of it. Silence is golden, but only when it guards wisdom. Speech is precious, but only when it serves others.
Perfectly said. Maybe the real mastery is not choosing between silence and speech, but knowing why we're doing either.
Yes, speak when your words can light the path, and be silent when your silence can teach more than words.
That's a beautiful thought to end on. Maybe the golden rule isn't just silence is golden, but discernment is priceless.
I love that. Let's leave our listeners with that. The art of knowing when to hold your voice and when to let it flow.